what's up YouTube, it's Hip-Hop Channel YTV and I'm back with another episode. The Harder They Fall Netflix big budget black western premiered in Los Angeles on Wednesday night, bringing out an elite group of stars to celebrate the groundbreaking film. Beyoncé, Alicia Keys, Seal, Tiffany Haddish, Swizz Beatz, Nas and Taraji P. Henson were among the guests at the event, adding to an already starry cast of Jonathan Majors and Regina King, director James Samuel and producers Jay-Z and James. Today I want to show you guys footage and pictures of New York rapper Nasir Jones. Nas meets his longtime friend and collaborator Jay-Z at the movie premiere. You can check out pictures on the screen. Also today, legendary Mary J. Blige went to her Twitter page and shared a post where he addressed Nas. So she says, "A big congratulations to my friend King Nas. The memories we have shared are timeless. I encourage you all to go watch his class on Masterclass as he unravels the process behind hip-hop storytelling." And now let's go back to the main topic. After the screening held at the Shrine in downtown LA, an after party for the AIDS went late into the night. Beyoncé kept a low profile at a private booth, chatting with Kelly Rowland and Keys, while writer-director Samuel aka The Bullets emceed a 90-minute jam session on the party stage. And before I finish the video, let's check this out, the footage from last night. Come on. Before I finish the video, I want to ask you guys question of the day. Tell me your thoughts about new movie The Harder They Fall. Write your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned, subscribe YTV, get the notification bells, and don't forget to visit the website hiphopty.com. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.